Yo guys, welcome back to Cryptoria. Today I'm going to be covering Sparklabs, but before I do, I'll appreciate if you like, subscribe and turn on bell notifications so you know when I upload. And with that being said, let's get into this video. So guys, yes, another video on a cryptocurrency that I found, which I have a potential and which I do think is going to be reaching a potential, new all-time high and going towards that 10x, 20x and so on. So I do want to share with you what this coin is and what these guys are up to. So I have jumped onto CoinMarketCap. I will be going over the white paper after this just to tell you what this project is all about. So Sparklabs, ticker name being Spark, it is a very new token, so it is doing really well in rankings. It is in the top 3,000. I will be going over the website and the white paper in a bit as well, and under contract it is under the Binance Smart Chain. So the price at the moment is down, unfortunately, 12% over the last 24 hours. Current market cap is actually over 3 million, so it's circulating underneath that penny mark with that 2 zeros and 3. So going over the chart very briefly, as you guys can see, it did have that all-time high around that half penny mark, and then it did dip all the way back to where it is at the moment. But in terms of where you guys can buy it, the only place at the moment is being on PancakeSwap. So if you do want a tutorial on that, I will leave the link below as well. So guys, I will be jumping over onto the white paper now. So I've jumped over onto the white paper just to tell you guys what this is all about. So Sparklabs, the next generation portfolio tracker in the Binance Smart Chain. So it does say here's a white paper. So in terms of innovation features, the rug protector, our rug protector automatically sells your token before you get rugged. Combine sales, save time on approvals and sell multiple tokens at once. Going over to this, there's challenge, solution, the platform features, vault, roadmap, tokenomics and what's next. So that is what's going to be covered in this white paper as well. So in terms of the challenge, every day hundreds of tokens are launched on the Binance Smart Chain. While diversifying a portfolio is essential, holders are then faced with a large amount of tokens to manage, missing selling opportunities and increasing the risk of getting scammed by ill-intentioned people. So that's quite a common thing in terms of all these sort of crap coin and poo coins around. It does happen a lot, getting scammed as well. So the solution that they're going for, we decided to create a price tracking platform dedicated to BSC space, a platform that helps holders tracking their investments while automatically protecting them from potential rug pulls. So this is a very huge opportunity in terms of what these guys are going for, and not gonna lie, it will help save a lot of people's balance as well, especially if a lot of people are putting a large amount of sum into a rug pull project and then getting completely scammed. This project is the solution in terms of where these guys actually want to head towards. So going over to the platform, no false promises. Our platform will be ready and operational at launch of Sparklabs token on PancakeSwap. Our users will be able to use 3 of our main innovative features: rug pull protector, portfolio attacker, combined sales. So they will have these 3 main features inside their platform, which will be able to identify these sort of rug pull sort of projects that people are actually doing over on the BSC. So they will be able to actually identify this for you and be able to help you guys save your buck as well. So the features are the rug protector. Are you tired of scams? We'll cook something specially for you. Secure your investments after connecting your wallet. Our rug pull protector will trigger an alert and automatically sell your tokens before a liquidity gets pulled out. So this is huge. This is very huge, especially if you put a lot of tokens in, a lot of people get scammed, and you see a lot of pump being done as well, especially in the market. You see recently as well, a lot of people do like these scam coins because they'll get a lot of 100x by themselves, and then you get completely scammed and you won't be able to sell your tokens as well. So this is one of the features that will be helping in terms of helping you get rug approved as well. So how does a rug pull protector works? If your investment was being rugged, our rug pull protector will front run the transaction by selling your tokens at higher gas fees. The mentioned gas fees will reach the value of around $15. To activate the rug pull protection, the user will need to deposit BNB as anticipated gas fees for the total value of $15 into their vault. The deposit will be used to pay the gas fees involved the sale of protected tokens. The remaining of gas fees will be automatically sent back to the user. users can withdraw the deposit at any time, any moment. So that is how the protector works. So especially, if you guys, are in some sort of rug pull sort of scam project, it's very good, you have that protection with you, just in case stuff like this does happen. And this will always happen as well. Every day, these sort of rug pull projects are being put out into the BSC sort of market. So this will be one of the helpful things that they'll do. So the rug protector, step 1 is to set up the vault. So you connect your wallet to our platform with a MetaMask and select the token you want to protect. The first step for protecting the token is to set up a vault. This interaction will create a unique smart contract owned by the user only. The vault allows the user to benefit from a rug protector without having to share his private key. The user will then deposit his tokens as well as anticipated gas fees in BNB for the total value of $15. Going off to step 2 is to deposit the tokens. Once the vault is set up, the user will need to deposit and secure his tokens. Note that if the token has transaction fees, they will need to be applied while sending the tokens to the vault. And the third step will be the deposit of the BNB. So last step will be to deposit BNB as anticipated gas fees into the vault, only total value of $15. Note that the user can withdraw the deposited BNB at any moment. So going over to the features of the portfolio tracker, most of the new tokens launched on the BSC are not listed on platforms such as CoinMarketCap, so their value is not showing on wallets like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. By connecting their BEP20 wallet address, our users will instantly have access to their wallet information, showing their token they hold as well as the total wallet value in both USD and BNB. So that's really good as well, especially if you guys have new tokens on your actual wallet. It doesn't actually show you how many value you actually have. It normally just shows you the actual token. So that is a huge value that they have as well. So in terms of features as well, is combined sales. So don't waste time on approvals. We've been developing a special feature for our users that allows them to sell multiple tokens at once. So the short trades best friend. So especially if you have a lot of tokens and you want to, put in the contract address and stuff like that, it does take a lot of time, especially, when it's at all-time high, you want to sell, or you want to take out money at an all-time high, and you really want to sell ASAP rather than going through, the process of going through PancakeSwap and, other exchanges. It is good that they have this feature as well. So when it does implement, it'll be a huge thing as well. In terms of Altcoin milestone, there is that lab 1, so the testing phase, so the platform development, corporate website, community growth and private sale. Lab 2, so this is the second sort of phase, is the implementation, the platform testing, whitelist pre-sale, PancakeSwap launch, platform V1 launch as well. In terms of launch date, they got new features, tier system, community involvement, partnerships, launch lab, banner ads implementation. So that's phase 3. In terms of phase 4 is deployment. So they got platform V2 wallet, cross-chain mobile app, and the launch of top 10 CEX as well. So that is pretty good as well. In terms of tokenomics, as you guys can see, 2% liquidity pool, 1 billion total supply, 3% marketing. So Sparklabs taxes a total of 5% of every transaction, so 2% liquidity pool, 3% marketing fee, and the supply is 1 billion Spark tokens. So the contract audit is also by tech rate as well. And what's next? So this is the next sort of steps that I want to go for. At Sparklabs, we believe a strong communities can make a real difference, but our first objectives come with a first milestone of 50k daily users on our platform. Reaching that goal will allow us to integrate banner ads into Sparklabs for token promotions. The ads will help us to improve the platform, develop new features, and reinvest the incomes into Sparklabs token. Each banner would generate an income of $400 per day. 16% would be directly re-injected daily into Sparklabs token as a buyback system, 50% for marketing, improving the platform, and developing new features. 34% of our token is to hire new talents as well. So they always want to reinvest back into their company and into the token as well. So that is a bit about the Sparklabs features as well. So I will be jumping over onto the website now. So guys, I have jumped straight onto the website. It isn't much of a difference from what I did already explain on the white paper, but I do want to show you how it is all integrated. So you can see it is very nicely laid out. It's very user friendly as well. You got your home features, tokenomics on white paper. So I did already mention this. So the next generation portfolio tracker, more than a simple price tracking platform, Sparklabs is aiming to help traders and investors to spot opportunities across the Binance Smart Chain while also keeping an eye on their investment. So I did already go on the white paper, but I will leave the link below if you guys want to check out as well. So discover our innovative features. The Sparklabs platform will be ready to launch of our token and will be able to include our following features. So portfolio tracker, combined sales, and rug pull protector, as I already mentioned as well. Tokenomics I already mentioned as well, and you go ahead and join the community. I'll leave the links below for this as well, guys, so you will be able to join as well and be able to keep up to date with the recent news that they got promoting and trying to push out as well. So guys, I will be jumping onto the price analysis now. So guys, yes, whatever has been waiting for, the price analysis. So just because it is a fairly new token, there isn't much really data that I could actually, you know, extract and actually give you guys in terms of where price is heading to. But I did want to highlight some sort of key features that I've seen so far in terms of from the all-time low to the all-time high. It pretty much on a rough 10x to where it is, but I don't see it stopping there at all, guys, especially when it has literally just been a couple of days of a project. So I do see a project going much more further than this, as I said at the start, to that potential 10x completion, to that 20x, 50x, and possible that 100x as well, is where I see this project going for, especially what the things that they want to do as well. So as you guys can see, I did mark out this Fibonacci retracement level here. It does seem to be retracing back towards this level here. So if I do extend this around here, is where I see price heading to in terms of if you guys want to actually buy into it. I would expect a bit more of a region here. It has already created a strong level of support around that, you know, that sort of 003 penny mark around here, but it does seem to be retesting that level here. So if it does do that, make sure, you know, a bit away for a bit of retracement here, and if it does, I do see it going back up towards as high as retesting that resistance there and going towards a new high as well, towards that, you know, breaking that penny mark as well will be ideal. Going for that strong penny region as well is where I see price heading at the moment. At the moment, you could even see this 4-hour candle has been broken from the previous 4-hour, and it did end as a doji candle here as well. So I do see a bit of a support being formed again, making that double bottom formation as well before going back up to those highs as well, breaking that level of resistance. You have to make sure this resistance is broken as well in order to more of a strong confirmation of going back towards a new high as well. Even removing all this, there is that possibility of that full retracement as well. So if you go like this, there is that possibility of it going towards this sort of region as well, that 1.27 level, 1.41 level as well. So if I do mark the region here as well, I do see a bit of a, you know, retest here towards that support level here, and then, you know, maybe ranging for a while as well, or, you know, going up here, retesting that, going towards there, a new high as well. Just remember, guys, it is literally a couple of days old. It's literally a couple of days old. Current market cap is 3 million, so it's got so much room to grow. Just expect this to grow as well, you know, especially with a lot of stuff that I want to be pushing out as well. I see this project doing very, very well. So that is just my opinion, guys. I did obviously give you all the information with this. Just make sure you guys go ahead and research this as well. So guys, I'm going to wrap this video up here. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on bell notification for all future videos. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next video.